Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us. New this noon, a lawsuit has been filed after last week's crash injured 2 deputies. The lawsuit is brought against the trucking company Roth Products of Texas Incorporated, as well as the truck driver. The driver told authorities he was distracted when he struck the deputies' patrol cars last Monday, pinning them against the guardrail, leaving one of them dangling over the bridge. The officers were helping a family stranded on the side of the road. 3 members of that family are also suing the trucking company after they suffered injuries in the crash. The suit is seeking monetary relief for damages and personal injuries of both deputies and all family members involved. The attorneys representing the injured are holding a news conference this afternoon at 2 o'clock. We will be streaming it live on our website, kcbd.com. Turning